Hey everyone, good afternoon. Hope you're having a nice day so far. It is 3 o'clock on Friday. Happy Friday also. I wanted to show you what a true climactic looks like. And it's really rare these days to get a stock that does something like this, but that's what a true climactic looks like. Look at this. Up, 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 up. Look at the wide range bars, right? The volume spike, this is called the COG bar, changing the guard bar, plus a narrow body bar. We talked about it just a couple days ago or yesterday, I think, in a video that I put together. I said it's my favorite reversal time, my favorite reversal bar of all time, the narrow body bar. So that's what a true climber looks like. And then on top of that, now look at the daily chart. Up the last several months, right? Look at this. Up, 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 up. And then today gapped up and ran up. Even after that big gap, it ran up $20 from low to high, from basically where it opened to the high, $20, right? So, and look at the volume, 20 to 25 times the average volume bar. So that's what a true climber looks like. What a beauty. Now, the truth is, when a stock is accelerating and is printing wide range bars, like the VMW was, on the 5-minute chart, I don't stay on the 5 because what if it puts in a wide range red bar and now I have to enter here with a $5 stop? When the 5-minute looks picture perfect like this, wide range bars at the end, I go to the 1 or the 2. Let's take a look at the 2 maybe. The 1 or the 2-minute time frame. I look at both, and I think the 2 had a better entry. But this was called a short in the black room under the 1-minute bar is low, which was I think 163.60 or so, or 163.80. And the stop was, am I right? 163.80. Let's just double check here. I don't remember the exact price. 163.70 by 165. So I risk $500 per trade, so I took 400 shares. Okay, wish I took more because it was such a perfect Climo, but I don't like to oversize a play that looks better than the normal play because then you mismanage it. You end up getting shaken out or getting out of it too soon. Because it was really, really good, I didn't take anything on the initial drop, and several times I told the black room not to exit until the 20 MA on the 5. So the first exit was at 156.50, I believe. Let me just take a look. Here's the black room. I mean, I can go back and show you the posts. So VMW trail first half to 156.50, 80, and then 1/4 to 154.25, which was 154. Oh, and I changed it to 154. So in this bar somewhere, it's probably off the 1 minute. I'll show you. 154. So that's 154. So right over this, 1/4, and then the last lot was trailed to the last lot. So 1/4 to 154, 154 now, and then the last lot to 150.89. Then I got filled at 150.87. So right here, but I didn't even, yeah, that's 150.89. I was going to say, I didn't even wait for it to get taken out because this stock is spready. So I took it at 150.87. Very, very nice play. To tell you the truth, my goal was to keep 1/4. I had 400 shares. So my goal was to keep 100 shares overnight because I believe this is the top on the VMW. Look at the weekly. Look at the monthly. Up for 2 years straight now, almost without, just a couple red bars. And then prints the biggest bar ever on the monthly chart, on the daily for sure. But I decided not to keep the 100 shares because it dropped basically $15 already in one day. And the other reason is because it was grinding up this whole time. It wasn't very extended, right? And then the third reason is because a lot of these Climos have been, like this one SQ, now it's back up all the way almost. ALGN, which I had swing short and I was up $6,000 and I gave it back, is now making new highs. Look at the monthly on this. It triggered and I took it short. and then I stopped out. Um, IPGP, same thing. So a lot of these long-term climactics don't really top out, even though the chart says, yes, this is the top. Look at the weekly also on the IPGP. I mean, that looked really, really good. Um, and it dropped nicely and then it went back up. A lot of these long-term climbos don't really top out until the market does, or until the market is near a top. Now, do I believe the market is near a top? I don't think so. Actually, it's a good discussion. The market will most likely top out if we continue at this rate. So since the beginning of the year, 2018, we've printed a wide range bar, the biggest I see on the entire chart, almost. Well, there was one big one here, but this is coming after one full year of rallying nonstop, and we're getting a wide range bar. So if we print a couple more of these, 3, 4 more, then that will put a top to the market. Mark my word. Just remember this. If we continue at this rate, right? If we go back to grinding up small bars, then no, we could go on and on and on. Who knows who knows when we might top out if we print narrow range bars. But if we start and continue to print wide range bars, then we'll top out. So the VMW was very nice. And then the THO was my other trade this morning while on the mic in the black room. It was a nice trade. Where is it? It was a sell setup. I missed the initial drop because I was looking to do what was it that I was looking to do? Oh, I got tangled up in Intel, which was a kind of a mistake that I made. So I missed that initial move, and then it gave me a sell setup, so I took it, and that was very nice. Here, when it's during earnings season, I only like to show the positions that are open, because this way I can be focused on just that one or two positions. But if we go to view settings, I usually do this before I come on the mic to show you the positions that I'm in, but see, this only show entries which have a position. So those were the plays today for me. The VMW made the most, THO, and then VIPs I got skipped, unfortunately. Otherwise, this would have been a good trade. I didn't give it enough room, honestly, because it was just a scalp. And of course, I got skipped. So I only got 300 shares. And then Intel didn't work out this morning. But that's all I did. And nice day, nice way to end the week, I guess. My only issue is, will the VMW be the all-out, the blow-off top? And I think it might be, in which case I should have really kept some long-term. But this is my day trading account, so I prefer to keep it nice and clean, no positions, right? In fact, like I said, during the day, I'm not I hide these. I uncheck this box, or I check this box, so I'm not distracted by trades that I'm already out of. It looks like ABBV is going. Darn. All right. Well, yep, that's a good Climo setting up. I'm going to watch the ABBV short. I hope you enjoyed today's short video. I will talk to you on soon, hopefully, but have a great weekend. And please, if you like what you're seeing, come on by and check us out. Check out the Black Room. Contact customer service if you're interested. Thanks, guys. Take care. Have a great weekend again.